Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick tutorial, something pretty cool. I sometimes get a situation where I really want to add something that looks basically like a drone shot in a course. It could be an induction that I'm showing a number of different sites, or it could just be a background that I want to put into a course. Google Earth Studio is something that's quite new, and I wanted to show you because I've got a client that I'm really wanting to do a drone shot for, and it's in a place that I'm not going to be able to basically do a drone shot. So if you go to earth.google.com/studio, this will pop up. Now from the get-go, you can just basically start from scratch, or they've got some templates in place. So I just want to show you. This will be really quick, okay? So here, I'm just going to click on Quick Start. And right from the get-go, it's got some little templates here showing you what you could do. Okay, it takes a little bit of processing power on your computer. So I'm just going to do this fly to orbit. Click start. And I'm going to take you through the whole process of how I would do this. But, you know, I love the idea that Google Earth has opened up to allow us to create basically where you can take a screen capture from this. You can also do kind of fly-throughs of areas. If you look on YouTube, you'll see loads of examples. But here, I'm wanting to do New Zealand Parliament building. Okay, now I just recently looked that up. But I'm just going to click on that. And what it will do is it will just pinpoint the location. Okay, and what you really want is you want this kind of thing that Google has already done a lot of work on it. So if you're looking at somewhere that's really rural, it's likely that it's not going to be 3D. Okay, so I'm putting this slap bang in the center. I'm just going to zoom in a wee bit. Okay, and I'm going to click next. And what it's doing is it's just starting to render this. Now you can change the settings here, okay, to how you basically want it. I'm wanting it focusing on the beehive. This looks good to me. And I'm going to click. This is what it's basically going to look like. Of course, it's not fine-tuned. And this is the approximate duration of it, right? So I'm happy with this. Gonna click next. I go up here, I click render, and it starts the process. Now it can take about 5 to 10 minutes for it to render out. You can go to settings, have a play around, make sure the quality is high. You can do loads with it. Right, now I'm going to cancel this because I've actually already rendered it out. So what do you do from here? So when it finishes, it's going to have a JPEG sequence. Now this one here had, I think, 750 odd images. So in After Effects, okay, so this is basically, it doesn't render out as a video, it renders out in images, and you put it together in After Effects. So here you can go to File. Okay, import file. Okay, so this was the file that basically downloaded. I called it Beehive because that's what it is. That's what it's called. And I go to that first image in the sequence. So I just left mine untitled 000. Click on open and you'll get to this stage, right? So if we just run through this here, you'll see. Oh, yeah, I went a little bit fast there. I just want to show you the quality here. I mean, I'm on 50%. If I put it on 100%. I think the quality is really good. Like if you wanted to put this, you know, in the background of a website, it does have Google Earth written on it. But that's okay. You know, you could resize it in something like Articulate. For example, this doesn't look great. So I might start the video about here. Okay. That's it. It's coming in. Oop. So from here, all I do is I render it out. I'm not going to go through those details. But, you know, I just wanted to show you because somewhere like the New Zealand House of Parliament, which this is, you wouldn't be able to fly as a drone over it, and you couldn't even get a shot looking like that. So jump on YouTube, have a look at some of the different tutorials. I think this is cracking for e-learning. You've got another option that you can kind of ping pong to different locations. So let's say you were doing e-learning for a mine, or you were doing a company that's got a lot of different locations, or let's say it's Victoria Police and you're wanting to show, you know, the police academy, and you're wanting to show the headquarters in the city and the different locations. This would look fantastic as just a little interactive in a course. So jump on it, have a little play. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and I hope you found this video useful. All right, have a great weekend.